everyone, and welcome to a new era of ASUS smartphones. Today, we mark a significant evolution in our approach to smartphone design with the launch of the ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra. From defying the ordinary with the Zenfone 8 Flip to packing mighty performance in the hand-sized Zenfone 10, the Zenfone series has always embraced a never-say-never attitude. And now, with the Zenfone 11 Ultra, we have again proven our commitment to user centricity as we listened to your feedback and used it to help us transcend the impossible and transform your desires into reality. Recognizing the growing demand for superior camera functionality and longer battery life, we have transitioned from our compact size phone. The Zenfone 11 Ultra boasts a larger form factor to house more incredible features. Integrated with an advanced camera system and a substantially stronger battery, this upgrade enhances both your photography experience and device endurance. But that's not all. We have also integrated AI-powered features to enrich your user experience by seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with everyday utility. With its pioneering design and optimized camera and battery performance, the Zenfone 11 Ultra is poised to redefine the smartphone experience for users around the world. For a deeper dive into this incredible device, I will now hand it over to Ariel. Let's explore the magic together.
Thank you, SY. I'm super excited to introduce this amazing phone to everyone. Zenfone 11 Ultra boasts a sleek design with the ASUS A monogram on the back, giving a glossy finish for a classy bite. The monogram also featured on our ZenBook creates a unified family look for ASUS product. That Zenfone's monogram A shining on the matte glass makes it like a work of art that changes with the lighting, making it ultra premium. Let's dive into the color games. We've got 4 stunners, and my personal pick is Skyline Blue, giving off those Stockholm clear sky vibes. And there's also Eternal Black for the perpetual night feel from Iceland, Misty Gray inspired by San Fran's famous fog, and Desert Sand taking cues from Japan's Tottori dunes. But it's not just about looks, we're going all in on eco-friendliness with Zenfone 11 Ultra. The front is 100% made from recycled aluminum, and the glass of the front is 22% recycled glass. Zenfone 11 Ultra brings you sustainable style. And our packaging is eco-warrior level. We're FSC certified by using recycled paper, dramatically cutting down on new material usage, and by replacing plastic wraps with paper for the phone and its accessories, we've managed to reduce plastic use by 94%. Even the case inside is rocking 50% recycled plastic. Oh, and what about the charger? Well, we ditched it. It's a bold move, but it's intended to reduce waste and making shipping more efficient. Plus, it's a win for the planet, less carbon emission during transport. Zenfone 11 Ultra's IP6A rating ensures robust protection against water and dust, keeping it safe even if you spill water on it. This enhances reliability and gives you peace of mind in daily use. It's time to talk about the incredible new camera on Zenfone 11 Ultra. It's a whole new level of greatness. We've used a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor as the main camera. It's a low-light champ capturing all those tiny details that makes your photos pop. And there's a new version of our 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer 3.0 to keep things super steady even if your hand isn't. The telephoto lens rocks a 32-megapixel setup with 3 times optical zoom and built-in OIS. Distant subjects, we got you covered with crisp clarity. And there is an ultra-wide 13-megapixel sensor with a 120-degree field of view. And also gets a freeform lens, meaning normal rear distortion, just epic shots. We've spiced things up with advanced AI algorithm. Portrait video mode is like having your own video crew. It recognizes faces and adds this cool AI-powered depth effect that screams professional videography. But wait, there's more. Our latest 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer just got even better. With our enhanced EIS Super Hyper Steady algorithm, your videos stay crazy smooth even when you're on a bumpy ride. Check out the difference in this video, it's mind-blowing. And let's not forget the sound. The Ozo technology is on the job, making sure your audio is crystal clear. No more annoying wind noises ruining your epic video moments. Now, the telephoto lens isn't just for show. With its AI-driven high-clarity algorithm, you can zoom up to 30 times and still get top-notch image quality. This is achieved through raw file processing and AI learning, ensuring detailed textures, color, and material reconstruction at high zoom levels. It's like having superpower for photography. There's even more AI magic waiting for you. The AI Object Sense feature is like having a photo wizard in your phone. It recognizes and enhances different elements in your pics. Each part gets the perfect enhancement for a more vibrant shot. And for the improved Lightroom mode, it's a game changer for capturing fireworks. You'll be able to showcase their beauty and vibrancy effortlessly. Moving on to front camera, 32 megapixel boosted by 4-in-1 pixel binning for more detailed and vibrant selfies. Also, the wider angle makes group selfies a breeze. No need to stretch your arms, group photo just got a whole lot easier and way more fun. Here's 2 stunning photos with the Zenfone 11 Ultra. Now let's dive into the awesome display on the Zenfone 11 Ultra. It's seriously next level. Its massive 6.7-inch flexible AMOLED display hogs the edges with ultra-narrow bezels. This beauty gives you a whopping 94% screen-to-body ratio, making everything look sleek and immersive. Oh, and don't worry about accidental bumps. We've got super tough Corning Gorilla Victus 2 protecting your screen. It's like a screen armor for years of worry-free use. Zenfone 11 Ultra's LTPO screen tech is incredibly smart. It adjusts the refresh rate based on what you're doing. When you're not using it, it drops to a chill 1 Hz, saving that precious battery life. But the moment you start scrolling or doing anything active, it cranks up to 120 Hz, giving you that super smooth and responsive experience you deserve. And for all you gamers out there, our game-changing features unlock the 144 Hz refresh rate for an impressive gaming experience. Now let's talk about the brightness. We've boosted it up to a peak brightness of 2500 nits. So whether you're reading an article or checking out photos, everything stays crystal clear, even when you're soaking up the sunshine. We also team up with Pixelworks to make sure the color on the screen are outstanding. It's all about superior color accuracy and a wide color command. Your image and video will stay as true to life as it gets, with color that pops and grabs your attention. Zenfone 11 Ultra's display is not just a screen, it's like a window to a world of vivid colors, crazy performance, and unmatched clarity. It's an experience that'll take your smartphone usage to new heights. And now let's pass it over to Sasha for some more exciting Zenfone 11 Ultra features.
Thanks, Ariel. The Zenfone 11 Ultra is our fastest Zenfone ever, and by quite a margin. Its larger chassis allows the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 to spread its wings and deliver 30% higher CPU and 25% higher GPU performance. You can throw even the heaviest and most intense apps and games at the Zenfone 11 Ultra, and it will just chuckle and ask for more. So whether you're tackling everyday tasks or diving into some intense gaming, it's all going to be snappy and buttery smooth. To take your multitasking to the next level, we squeezed in 16 GB of LPDDR5X 8500 memory and 512 GB UFS 4.0 storage for lightning-fast access to all your apps and files. While battery life on the Zenfone 10 was already outstanding, with the Zenfone 11 Ultra, we dialed it up a notch to 11. We boosted the battery capacity by over 25% to 5500 mAh. So just like with the Zenfone 10, battery anxiety is a thing of the past, and you will frequently come home with plenty of battery left. And once you plug it in, the Zenfone 11 Ultra can top up with 65-watt hypercharge. So you can go from 0 to 100% in only 39 minutes. And yes, the Zenfone 11 Ultra supports wireless charging too. All you need is 1 or 2 wireless chargers strategically placed where you usually put down your phone, on your desk or in your car, and you will never even have to think about charging the Zenfone 11 Ultra or connect it to a cable. It will automatically gobble up milliampere hours and recharge as soon as you put it down. Our Zenfone 9 and 10 were battery champs, but guess what? The Zenfone 11 Ultra takes it to a whole nother level. thanks to its winning combo of a beefed-up battery, high-efficiency LTPO OLED display, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 efficiency magic, and tweaking by our engineers, the Zenfone 11 Ultra set a record in our internal battery life tests. It wouldn't be a 2024 phone without AI, so we added a couple of AI features to boost your user experience and make the Zenfone 11 Ultra smoother and more efficient. First up, we got AI noise cancellation, which is objectively certified magic for your ears. Thanks to machine learning, it identifies and drowns out annoying background noise, like a busy road or background chatter at a coffee shop. Whether you're in a voice or video call, voice chatting on WhatsApp, or immersed in some in-game banter, your audio is crystal clear. And another feature we added is Smart Transcript. This AI-powered tool transcribes conversations to text in real time. It's like having your own personal assistant taking notes for you. Have you ever dreaded calls in a different language? Well, no more. The Zenfone 11 Ultra Call Translator, well, you guessed it, translates your calls. But again, in real time, and not just as text, it can also voice them. So you can have conversations with people in all sorts of languages and never again struggle to get a point across, especially when traveling. It's like having your own personal translator with you. But wait, there's more. AI. Every Zenfone 11 Ultra comes with our AI-powered semantic search tool. Let's say you're in a Thai restaurant and want to order that amazing dish you had on your last vacation in Thailand. Type in food in Thailand last year, and it shows you all photos of food that you took on that trip to Bangkok. Best of all, it's not cloud-based, so everything stays private on your phone. And for anyone who wants to spice up their phone with a unique wallpaper, thanks to Qualcomm's integrated NPU, our AI wallpaper can personalize your wallpaper based on whatever style and tone you pick. We're not done yet. There are even more software features, and they're good. Our Phone Link app mirrors your phone on your laptop and then lets you drag and drop files from your phone to your laptop or the other way around. And you don't even need to plug in a cable. This all works via Wi-Fi. You can also navigate your phone and launch apps on it from your laptop or PC. The app is then going to run on your phone, but in the background, and is streaming to your laptop. This means you can stream an app to your laptop, but at the same time, use your phone to chat or run a different app on it. Our own ASUS GlideX app can do the same app streaming and screen mirroring wirelessly, but also wired over USB for a more stable and secure signal. GlideX also lets you share files with anybody else's phone, laptop, or PC, not just your own. And GlideX can transform your Zenfone 11 Ultra into a high-end webcam for crystal clear video calls. The Zenfone 11 Ultra supports Qualcomm Seamless, a feature that lets you connect it seamlessly with any Snapdragon X Elite powered PC. The stereo speakers in the Zenfone 11 Ultra are 25% larger and notably more powerful. And thanks to tuning by direct, high-res audio, Qualcomm codecs, and Snapdragon sound, plus our Audio Wizard EQ and Profile app, the Zenfone 11 Ultra is plenty loud and sounds great. And of course, we kept the 3.5mm audio jack for anybody with a nice pair of wired headphones or anybody who doesn't want to worry about headphones running out of battery. So wired or wireless, the Zenfone 11 Ultra delivers the best audio experience of any Zenfone to date. Last but definitely not least, we teamed up with Rhino Shield and Devil Case to bring you some top-of-the-line third-party cases. They're not just tough and nice to look at, they have integrated magnets, which make them compatible with accessories like phone holders and charging pads and even magnetic water bottles. And yes, you can still wirelessly charge with those magnet cases. Back to you, SY.
Thank you, Ariel and Sasha. The Zenfone 11 Ultra truly elevates user experience to the next level. From its immersive 6.78-inch LTPO display to the sleek monogram A design and its eco-friendly production concept, every detail speaks of elegance and innovation. Equipped with the 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer 3.0, alongside a telephoto lens for better camera performance, and enhanced by AI-powered portrait video and hyper clarity, the Zenfone 11 Ultra will perfectly capture every memory. And with the Zenfone's other AI features, as well as the 5500 mAh battery and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, get ready to have the best possible user experience. Finally, let's reveal the details you have been waiting for. The price of the Zenfone 11 Ultra will start from 999 euros. Thank you all for being a part of this incredible launch.